Hello everyone, and thank you again for stopping by. In today's video, we're gonna be making again some custom Apex Legends keycaps, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. These ones were sanded with 400, and after that I used 800 grade sandpaper. After a bunch of sanding and 3D printing, we are ready to glue these parts to the bases. To put in the hot glue and wait in around 10 minutes. It's now nice and dry. This is called the C-bot system. It's also for the base, so I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below for you if you wanna join the Discord and if you wanna download these files from GitHub. When you're mixing your silicone, please make sure to mix it really well. Otherwise, later you're gonna regret it. Maybe take 2 to 3 minutes to mix it, depending on the type of silicone you have, depending on the working time. I have enough time here to mix for 3 and then use the vacuum to degas it. Ready to pour the silicone in. Let's start with this one. I pour from the corner. Okay, go for the next one. Number 3. And number 4. Okay, this is ready to go. We have to wait 6 hours for the silicone to cure. When it's ready, we can demold them and we can cast the keycaps in it. While we wait for this, we're gonna paint the rest of the keycaps. Let's go. These are the ones that I 3D printed with the logo of Apex Legends on top of them. I'm planning to make them different colors. This is the airbrush I'm gonna be using to start painting. And if you wanna buy this one, if you wanna see which one it is exactly, I'm gonna be leaving the link in the description down below. This is an evolution right here. We're gonna be making one that is gonna be candy red. We're gonna be making one that is gonna be some paralyzed purple. And we're gonna be making one green. Giving it a quick silver coat. It's gonna make them nice and shiny. And after that, I will give them the coat of the color that they will be getting. As you can see right here, they look nice and silver. Instead of using some masking tape for the logo, I'm just gonna be using some of this liquid mask. It works really nice. I'm gonna be masking it before we start painting the color because we wanna preserve the silver on the logo. This stuff dries really fast and no worries, it doesn't gonna damage the paint at all. And here they are after painting. This is the gold one. We have the green one, purple one, red one. Now we just peel them apart. Let's see this one. This one looks beautiful. We're gonna be using the 3 boxes that I designed it Well, this video is gonna be a little bit different. When I started this thing, I started with this pile of things. I 3D modeled these boxes right here, as you can see. I designed this thing to hold the keycap on top of it, to put the mold inside. You can put it up here. And when it clicks in, you can put this thing with the screw in here, and it will just hold the keycap in place. And after casting it and trying it, I realized that it was all kind of a waste of time. And as you can see, these are the keycaps that came out of it. They are not the worst thing. I have not polished them because I'm not gonna be using them. But yeah, they are not that nice. They still move to the side. This one is actually the best one that came out of the casting, and this one also moves. As you can see, it did move, and at this side it didn't fill completely. So as you can see right here, this one has, for some reasons, it still has some bubbles. I think I forgot to put some resin on the sides before dipping it in. The big problem is that I printed the wrong file and the stem is not correct. It doesn't fit in the switches. So now that I show you all this pile of failure, I actually got something in my head. It was this little guy right here. I thought I can use this to use the actual CBOT molds and hold the 3D printed base inside the mold and then cast it in resin. And I'm pretty sure this is going to work. After doing all the work and painting, I went out and decided to make all that away and go and made better models. As you can see right here, this one looks a lot better. It fits, it's the right size. I fixed the file. I measured everything, made sure that it works. And I 3D printed 4 more, as you can see right here. This is normally a 2-part mold system. It's made from the CBOT system. You will find the link in the description down below. It's holding the keycap, the 3D printed part of the keycap in the base. And I just use this guy right here with this one, put it from the back, and this will hold the keycap in place. Now we're gonna grab this part and you're just gonna push it in like that, and here you go. Just like that, it's hold in place. Now we have the resin ready for the second batch to see how it's going to come out. But remember how I told you about this keycap that I still have some bubbles? It's because I didn't run a bit of resin on top of the keycap before I put it in the resin, and sometimes some bubbles just stick and they're really hard and not even the pressure pot will remove them. Okay, this one is ready to go. First, I'm gonna use the stick and just drop some resin on the cap, mostly on the corners. I just wanna make sure that it's gonna get some resin in there like that. We don't need that much. Now we grab the cap and we put it in. I got some rubber bands. I made a knot just because they are too big for this one. So I'm gonna hold it like this and just squeeze it in. I cannot promise myself anything with it. I don't know if this is going to work, but we are learning together. This is an experience for me, an experience for you. And if it works, you know that you can also go and do it yourself. So let's hope for the best and see you in 24 hours. And with the magic of film, I'm back and it's time to demold. Let's see what we got after waiting for this ones to cure and after having our failure previously. Normally you will start by demold by removing this top side first, but I'm gonna remove it the opposite. I'm gonna remove it from that side. So let's see what we have. Let's remove the pin from the back. Another one that looks really nice, only have to be polished. And this one also looks beautiful. Look at that, I really like this one. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. I really appreciate each and every single one of you. If you have any questions or anything that you want to know about this project, please make sure to write them in the comments down below. I'm going to be checking your comments and I'm going to be replying to each and every single one of them. Thank you so much again. My name is EJ and I will see you next time. Bye.